Hello friends. So today we start the prokaryotic cell. Okay. Previous lecture we see the bird view of prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells. Now today we are going to start the prokaryotic cell. Okay. As I told you, the prokaryotic cells means the pro means primitive, karyo means nucleus. The primitive nucleus is present in the cell, which is prokaryotic cells. Okay, so there is there is no cell membrane, there is no nucleolus, and there is no nuclear plasm. There are the only DNA or chromatin materials present in the form of nucleoprotein. Okay, so there are so many prokaryotic cells like bacteria's blue, green algae, okay, mycoplasma is one type of bacteria, and PPLO means pleuro pneumonia like organism. Okay, so PPLO, mycoplasma, blue green algae, and all bacteria are included in prokaryotic cells. Okay, these are the prokaryotic cells. So what is the types of prokaryotic cell and what is the bacteria, what about the bacteria and all. So today we are discussing the prokaryotic cells. Okay, so first of all we start the types of prokaryotic cell according to their shape. Okay, there are different types of prokaryotic cells according to their shape. Okay, so first of all, according to their shape, the prokaryotic cells are four types. The first type is the rod shape like bacillus type. Bacillus bacteria which are the rod shape like this type of bacteria, it's called bacillus bacteria. Okay, this rod like structure is seen. Okay, so after the bacillus bacteria there is the another bacteria is the vibrio bacteria. So vibrio is comma like structure. This kind of bacteria are vibrio bacteria. These are the vibrio bacteria. Okay, then spirillum bacteria, these are the snake like structure like this. These are the spirillum bacteria. Okay, so bacillus rod like, somewhat rod like, then vibrio, then spirillum, and then the fourth type is round shape. Okay, it's called coccus bacteria. They are the round shape bacteria. So according to their shape there are four types of bacteria. Coccus means round shape, then bacillus rod shape, then somewhat rod, it is thick rectangular, then vibrio comma shape, and then spirillum snake like spirillum hai. Okay, so there are four type of bacteria are there: coccus, bacillus, vibrio, and spirillum. Okay, so four type of bacteria, and the the type of these bacteria are according to their shape. Okay, so this is only based on their shape. Okay, now we are going we go to further next step. Which organelles or what are the components of prokaryotic cells? Okay, if you see the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells, there are the nucleoprotein. Then that means the chromatins are present in the nucleoprotein. They are connect with the protein and they form the nucleoprotein rays. Okay, they are present in the nucleoprotein rays, and as a DNA form they have the DNA. Okay, but there is the one speciality in bacteria. They have the extra chromosomal DNA. This DNA are chromatid material, but this is the extra chromosomal DNA. Sir, what is extra chromosomal DNA? The DNA which do not take part or do not take role in the inheritance. Okay, the bacteria which do not inherit, means it is inheritable, but it is not carry the characters of bacteria. Okay, it's just a DNA which inherit by generation. Okay, but they don't take part of any metabolic process, they don't regulate any metabolic process. But the chromatin DNA done their functions, and they control or they regulates the mechanism of different biochemical process which occurs in the cytoplasm. Okay, but the extra chromosomal DNA doesn't take part of any metabolic processes. Okay, so first of all, extra chromosomal DNA, it's called plasmid. Okay, so extra chromosomal DNA is a plasmid. Okay, so plasmid is the extra chromosomal DNA which is not take part in any regulation or any metabolic processes. Okay, so it helps in the recombinant DNA technology which we will study in the 12th standard. Okay, so presently you are aware about the plasmid only. Okay, what is plasmid? Plasmid is just a extra chromosomal DNA. Okay, now the second thing is, this is all about the DNA which is present in bacteria. Now the second thing is, bacteria have the different organelles. So they're like ribosomes. Ribosome is the one organelles which is present in prokaryotic cell, ribosomes. Then mesosome is also present in prokaryotic cells. Mesosome is the it is mitochondrial, somewhat mitochondrial structure. Structure तो नहीं, लेकिन it just a mitochondria, because the mitochondria is a powerhouse. It will help in the generation of ATP, or it generate the ATP. Just like it, the mesosome is also producing the energy in prokaryotic cell with the help of plasma membrane. Okay, with the help of plasma membrane, and mesosome is arise from the plasma membrane. Okay, it originate from the plasma membrane. So this is very important thing, कि mesosome is originate from plasma membrane, and it helps in the production of energy. Okay, so this is all about the plasmid or ribosome and mesosome. Okay, now we go to further information about the layers which is present on bacteria. Okay, so here we see the different layers which is covered the bacteria. There are 3 layers. First of all, outer side of bacteria, the hard thick capsule is present. Okay, now the second thing is, after the capsule there is the cell wall, which is protective part of bacteria, cell wall, and below the cell wall there is a thin but double layered cell membrane is present. Cell membrane is present, okay, on the bacteria. So bacteria have the 3 different layers: capsule, cell wall, and cell membrane. So the first thing is, capsule is made up of glycocalyx. So capsule is made up of glycocalyx. ये आपको याद रखना है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. देन कैप्सूल इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स. देन सेल वॉल. Generally, the most of bacteria have cell wall, but there are some few exceptions like mycoplasma. Previously, I read this name mycoplasma. So mycoplasma doesn't have any cell wall, but mostly the bacteria have cell wall, and the cell wall is made up of the cell wall is made up of glyco protein like peptidoglycan. Okay, so cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan is one type of glycoprotein. Okay, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Okay, but मैंने पहले ही बोला कि there are some few bacteria which doesn't have any cell wall. Okay, so they are devoid of cell wall. Okay, so mycoplasma don't have any cell walls. Now the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and then cell membrane. यहाँ जो this cell membrane structure is same as eukaryotic cell membrane. Okay, the prokaryotic cell membrane is structurally same as eukaryotic cell membrane. That's why हम जो आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं cell membrane in eukaryotic cell which is exact similar to this cell membrane. So यहाँ पे मैं उसका आपको डिटेल नहीं दे रहा. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. According to cell wall, the bacteria have two types. First, if you want to see the bacteria under the microscope, okay, the cell wall will stain by the different stains. Okay, the scientist who gave this staining method, so the staining method is called Gram staining method. Okay, the stain is the Gram stain. If you stain the bacteria with the Gram stain and the cell wall absorb this stain and it will give a color. So the bacteria who absorb this stain and they give the color, it's called gram positive bacteria. And the bacteria who don't absorb this stain and they are colorless or they give the different color. Okay, so that's are the gram negative bacteria. Okay, so according to cell wall staining, there are two type of bacteria. One is the gram positive bacteria and the another is gram negative bacteria. Okay, so gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Okay, यहाँ तक रखते हैं. This is enough for this day. So cell prokaryotic cell में types of bacteria according to their shape and size. Then कौन कौन से लेयर हैं, ग्राम पॉजिटिव, ग्राम नेगेटिव, कैप्सूल किससे बना हुआ है, ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स, सेल वॉल किससे बना हुआ है, पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन. ओके, एंड देन सेल वॉल का जो स्टेनिंग है उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसके दो नाम है, ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया एंड ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया. ओके, सो दिस इज इनफ फॉर द डे. हम आगे के लेक्चर में प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ओके, गुड बाय.